Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. Friends, we have come with our new video for today. So, the new content for today's video is going to be how to fix Windows 11 search bar not working. Alright, so this problem is occurring for many people. We will show how to fix this problem in this video. So without delay, let's start the video. First of all, you need to press Ctrl, Shift, plus Escape on your keyboard. Press these three keys together. After doing this, an interface like this will appear in front of you. After doing this, after clicking on password, you will go a little downwards and find it is. So there is an option that you will see below. Just find it. Alright. Go down below that and you need to find the option called Windows Explorer. Then simply right click on it. If it's moving up and down, you have to click on it. You will see an option called Restart and you need to click on this Restart. Afterward, you see this search bar has restarted. Okay, you simply need to exit from the interface. After exiting, you have to click on Start. Then you see the search bar, and now it is working. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, please like, and share the channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video, and we will continue to bring such helpful videos for you.